Okay, so this is part 2 of our Flappy Bird series. And this video, we're gonna get the bird to move first and set the high score. Okay? And set the score, okay? So I'm going to go to game.m and we're gonna start with view did load. Here, the first thing I'm gonna type is tunnel top dot hidden equals yes. So that's gonna hide the tunnel top. And tunnel bottom dot hidden equals yes. So we're gonna hide it at the start. We're also gonna hide the exit button. So exit dot hidden equals yes. And we're gonna set the score to 0. And the high score equals, in brackets, NS user defaults dot side space standard user defaults. And here I'm gonna put integer for key, and it's gonna be high score. And that's all we need for view did load. Next up, we're going to go to touches began. And all we really need to put here is bird flight equals 20. So whenever they touch, the bird will fly, which is pretty cool. And then I'm going to next up, we're going to go to bird moving, which is right here. And first, I'm going to put bird dot center equals CG point make, and equals CG point make, and CG flow X will be bird dot center dot X, and the Y will be bird dot center dot Y minus bird flight. Then we're gonna have bird flight equals bird flight minus 5. And then if here we're gonna have an if statement. But I capitalize it. Here I'm gonna have an if statement that will see if bird flight is less than -15. Is less than -15. Then we will set bird flight to -15. And then we're going to have another if statement, which says that, which is bird flight if bird flight is greater than 0. Is greater than 0. Then we will set the bird. Then we don't have to do this part. So now we can run to see what happens. So nothing happens just yet because we haven't put anything in start. And also the bird. We haven't called bird moving just yet. So we're going to go to start now. Here. So we're gonna go here. And I'm gonna put tunnel top dot hidden equals no. And tunnel bottom dot hidden equals no. And also the start game dot hidden equals yes. So we're gonna hide the start button. And the bird movement equals NS timer scheduled timer with interval, and we're going to select the bottom one. The time interval is 0.05, so it can look animated. The target is self. Selector is @selector. And it's going to be bird moving. The user info is no. And repeats is yes. And we're also going to call self place tunnels. And also tunnel movement equals NS timer scheduled timer with interval. So this time it's going to be 0.01. The target is self. Selector is @selector. And this selector is going to be tunnel moving. Tunnel moving. User info is nil. And repeats, yes. Like that. And then we're going to run now. And see if this works. Yeah, we can tap. So I'm tapping right now. And you can see it looks funny. It flies, sort of. It's sort of fun. Okay, so I'm going to quit now. And we're going to go to tunnel moving. And tunnel moving, we're going to put tunnel top dot center equals CG point make, and it's going to be tunnel top dot center dot x minus 1 and tunnel top dot center dot y. I'm going to copy this, and this will be tunnel bottom. Like that. And then we're going to put an if statement that says if tunnel top dot center dot x is less than -28, then we're going to put self place tunnels, and then we're going to have another one. It says if tunnel top dot center dot x equals 30, then it's going to be self score. And if the tunnel or CG rect intersects rect bird.frame and tunnel top dot frame, then we're going to call game over. I'm going to copy this and paste it 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. This is going to be tunnel bottom. This is going to be top, bottom. And so if it crashes into the top or the bottom or the tunnels, it calls game over. Now I'm going to go to place tunnels right here. So random top tunnel position equals arc for random %, 350. So the position of the top tunnel, it's random with so there's 300, so it's 0 in the range of 0 to 349. And then we're going to have random top tunnel position equals random top tunnel position minus 228. And the random bottom tunnel position equals random top tunnel position plus 655. Okay, this is random top. And then the tunnel top dot center equals CG point make, and it's going to be 340, and the Y is going to be random top tunnel position. Copy this. Tunnel bottom dot center, and this is going to be random bottom, like that. Now if we run, you can hit play, hit start, the tunnels appear randomly. So we do have a problem here. They're not appearing correctly. A way we can fix that is, I'm going to go back to main.storyboard. I'm going to select game.m, clear constraints, and we're going to make this very long. Super, super long. Same with this. Like that. And then to add missing constraints, and run. Also, it's not really doing the collisions for us. So these tunnels are like too far apart. Oh, okay. So the top isn't appearing. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is not attached apparently. And then if we go back to game.h, tunnel bottom's not connected. So we're getting a few errors here. And now it doesn't have a problem. And there's also a problem with the collision, so let's, oh yeah, so we didn't put anything in game over just yet. So I'm gonna hit play and hit start. And if this gap is too small, what you can do is quit the simulator, go back to game.n, and we can set this to be some other numbers. So what this is technically doing is it's taking the random number of the top and setting it to a random number between 0 and 349 inclusive. And it's subtracting 228. And then add 655 for the bottom position. So what we could do is we could add something like 400 and see what happens. Okay, that's what happens. So we need to put like a bigger number, like 800. See how big the gap is. Okay, that's fairly good. but that might be a little too big. Like we could put 750 or 720. Like that. And so if we run, we can check what will happen. This is a little too small, so I think 750 would be good. Or 700, yeah, 760. Just testing, trial and error. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, so this is the end of the second part. In the third part, we're going to finish up with the score, saving the high score, and game over. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in part 3. Bye-bye!